Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the water pump on a Toyota Sienna. Start by disconnecting the battery, draining coolant, and gathering tools. Work on a cool engine and secure the vehicle on stands. Photograph belt routing and component positions for reference. Keep a drip tray and rags handy for coolant. Label bolts and parts in order so reassembly is smooth and quick, and avoid rushing during critical steps. Begin by removing the serpentine belt and any obstructing accessories to reach the water pump. Carefully loosen bolts in a crisscross pattern to reduce stress and remove the old pump. Clean the engine mating surface thoroughly with a scraper and solvent to ensure a flush seal. Inspect the timing cover and surrounding components for leaks or damage. Keep parts organized and compare the old pump to the new unit before proceeding. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more repair guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and intelligent mapping for hands-off cleaning, a surprisingly handy time saver when you're working on a project. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider picking one up if you need help keeping a clean workspace. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new pump with a fresh gasket and hand start bolts to ensure proper alignment, then torque to spec. Reinstall any pulleys and the serpentine belt, then refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mixture and bleed air as needed. Reconnect the battery and start the engine while watching for leaks, odd noises, or overheating. Monitor coolant level after the first short drive and retorque bolts if recommended for a dependable repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.